How long have you been with ACO?
Almost 8 years.
It'll be 10 years next month.
It'll be a year in December.
Just under 2 months.
I love the way ACO treats me. I'm treated like a person and not just a robot. I have feelings, I'm a human being, and I feel comfortable to talk to upper management about anything. It's a great company, and I've never worked for a company like this before that really cares about their employees.
I've been in welding school for about 6 months, and it's been great, but you can only get so far, and honestly the on-the-job experience has taken me ages upon what I've learned in school. So
I love to build stuff, and what we build can be challenging at times, which I like a challenge. So
I enjoy the vision that we have at ACO within the building drainage team. We have a lot of challenges and we have a lot of opportunity. And I know working for Gert, he empowers me and he trusts me. And not only that, it's a fun place to work. The people are great. Everybody's friendly, everybody's supportive, you know. And my kids always ask me every day, "Hey Dad, what they bring in today?" Today was ice cream day.
Ice cream day.
Yeah. Shirt day. And
Sure.
stuff
Oh,
like
I know.
that.
I love that.
It's just little things like that that make a difference. So.